Anyways, what do you like this car? You're a big Polestar 2 guy.
Only the concept car. The other cars are okay.
Oh, you
But
don't like
it's
this one
called
right
the
here.
Polestar Precept.
You don't like this one.
Uh, this one looks fine. It's my
You
first
don't
time looking at it.
you don't like this one. Scroll down, get a few more looks at it. Reviews are starting to come in for the Polestar 2. And there you can see that's sort of a futuristic interior. Go down, you'll see the display in the next one. Or maybe the next one after this. Somewhere in here, you'll see the info dash. Something stood out to me, so I'm reading through this review here. And what stood out to me is how much emphasis this reviewer put on the Google infotainment system. So this is one area, there it is, where I'm a bit apprehensive about moving completely away from Google in my car. Now, I know Tesla owners have all kinds of other advantages. All kinds. You have an app that controls almost every aspect of the car. You have an enormous display. You have, essentially you can control everything about the car from this display, but it is a proprietary
UI
that Tesla's put together in order. They have video games on there.
Yeah.
You can watch YouTube, but I just recently said to you how reliant I am on Google Assistant in the car, and other manufacturers have taken a different approach to embrace. Well, the Precept looks awesome. Bringing up the Precept, obviously. Other manufacturers have taken a different approach to embrace either Google or Apple or whoever's going to be the in-car thing. And Tesla's been reluctant to do that. They don't have any Android Auto. They don't have Google CarPlay. Google CarPlay? Apple CarPlay. How dare I? Apple people very upset about that. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. So anyways, what strikes me in this one is that this reviewer loves the Google infotainment setup. He says arguably the best in-car setup yet. And so now that piqued my interest, even outside of the car, whether I like it or not, how the range is or anything else. I'm going to pay attention if you say something like this. So I'm curious to give this one a shot just on that standpoint alone. But now that you don't even like the look of it, I don't know. Maybe that's a huge turnoff here, Will.
Give it a shot.
You're not even going to get excited if it comes to the studio. If we go for a test drive, you're just going to be like, that one? I wanted the Precept. They're not going to give you the Precept. Maybe they will.
Maybe this one.
Okay, fine. When we have the new studio, you hit them up, and we'll get the Precept concept in there, and then we'll do some views, unlike the other one, which you're not that excited about. This is cooler looking. I agree with you. But you can't buy that right now, can you?
No.
No, you can't.
It's a concept.
It's a concept. Yeah. Whereas on the other hand, you can buy one of these Polestars.